Hello everyone. I welcome you all in my new uh, Unreal Engine tutorial. It's a series tutorial. So it's like I am creating a station building pack. So it's one of my asset. So I designed it from the Substance Painter. I bring it to the, I have to bring it to the Unreal and create a level design. So this is the first tutorial I am announcing. This one is a level design tutorial. So I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope you will be with me. So okay, so this is I am opening the Unreal Engine. So my one is Unreal Engine 5.3 actually. So okay, so now it's asking for a template, so I'm just using the game and the third person, and then I will open a location. It's work, the folder F, and this is my project name. The project name is going to be like STATION, station building, station building, uh, buildings. Okay, station buildings. Okay, make sure you have the blueprint on and starter content on. Red trace is no matter. Desktop and targeted quality maximum. Okay, and the F, the folder location is F, and the third person. Okay, everything is done, and start the create the project. Okay, so Unreal is creating the project. Wait for a bit. Okay, done. Now, okay, this is the third person template. Okay, and then we have to, make it like, file, new, and the basic one, the tail light one, the basic. Okay, and then we'll have to do a station building, station building maps. Okay, so this is the station building maps. So we just go to Control S, station building maps, and new map is station building map. Station building map, save. Okay, so the asset is saved. Then so this is the open template, and this is only the plane you are seeing here. And now I have to bring my asset, so I'll have to create a new folder, station building, station building FBX. Yeah, station building FBX. Then go for the import section, and then go for the work section and find the FBX, the 3D model, and 3D asset under construction, 3D asset ready for texturing, modular station, and update file. Okay, so this one is 13. So this one is the file, I know. So open, and here is import skeletal mesh. We don't want the skeletal mesh, so just tick on this one, so it will be input static mesh. So we want static mesh, and also what you need to do is advance, so kind of like a combine meshes. Okay, combine mesh. Okay, so now import all. Okay, ignore this one, okay, so right now is done. Here is unsaved option, select save, everything should be saved. Okay, all saved. Okay, done here. So this is the model, so I just need to bring it up here and bring it there. So you see these buildings are actually modular pack. So these are modular asset building pack. So I just need to kind of place it and position it. So location, make it 0 0 0 by the way, and then bring it up and you need to manually, you just need to off the grid and then this. Okay, something like this. Okay, done. Okay, and to scale it, this is the model. To scale it, you have to do one thing more, which is like you have to, from the starter content, you have to bring the characters and you have to bring the mannequin and you have to bring the mesh and you have to bring one of the mesh. So as you can see, this one is for the measurement, so our mannequin is the correct size. So as we can see, we have to increase our model, so something like that. So I know our model is appropriate in the size, like 2-point scale is 2.5 and 2.5. okay, something like that. Okay, so this is the proper size, and this one is 888. We need to scale it up also. So 12. So the 12 and then oops, we need to grab our model, our building model, and then we need to place it again. We need to place the model again, something like, just place it okay here, and then bring our skeletal mannequin here. Okay, now what we can do is, you see this, so this figure right now is okay. This one is here, the other one is maybe a female figure here. Okay, so it's like a rotation here. Okay, something like this, or maybe he needs to rotate more, and you need to place her here, and maybe one figure is here, and maybe another figure is here. So it's like go to there and go to there in this position. Okay, so I think our scaling and our first import of the FBX is okay. So as we can see, if we can go to the content drawer, and if we can go to the like function f11, then we can go to this. Okay, so everything looking nice and properly scaled. So right now we have to bring our textures. One part we have to do is function f11 is just make it 20 by 20. Okay, and make it like with a content where we just need to go to the character station building map and starter contain. Okay, and materials. Okay, we have some materials here, so we just may need to, maybe we can drop this material to see how the, you know, yes, it's looking nice actually, for the starter, kind of like a feel of ground or something. Okay, so yeah, so okay, done it. And then we have to bring the materials. Okay, so to bring the materials, go for so bring the textures actually. So like create a new folder called the textures, station station building textures. Okay, station building textures, go there and go for the import, and you have to Unreal Engine 5 textures, like this one is okay. Bring the all textures here. Okay, by the way, all the textures are 4K in resolution, so textures are being imported. Okay, okay, now all the textures are imported, and this one save selected. Okay, wait for this selection to save. Okay, wait till it save. Done, all save. So the textures have been imported, all the textures. Okay, right now I need to create the materials and apply it on the model. So the station building material, make another folder, station building materials. Okay, so station building materials, something like this. And we have to go to the textures. So first of all, modular station building pack, modular station pack building station floor center. Okay, something like this, that the rename. So this one, oh oops, okay, we need to bring our materials from this. Our first tutorial is going to be finished, so I hope I'll need to continue in the later part. So I hope you are enjoying, and keep supporting me, and please watching the tutorial. Thank you.